Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Introduce yourself, then I'll give a background here.
Sorry.
Introduce
Me
yourself.
or you?
You. Introduce
Oh,
yourself.
okay. Also known as Nafti.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So I met Nafti in 80, what year was it?
It must be late 88, I don't know. 88? We were wearing nappies. How do you make it remember that?
We grew up together. Oh man, I think sometime after the Kenyan coup, 1982, we moved,
Oh my
we
God.
moved to Parklands.
Okay.
So we
So it's soon after that.
lived
That's 80. We're looking at 83.
83, 84, something like that.
Yeah.
We were very young.
Yeah.
So I've known this guy. We're old as dirt, but we look good. What is it?
That's someone else to decide, to be honest. But I will endorse that statement.
You'll endorse it. Cheers.
Yes. You say all the right things, Cole.
All right.
Yeah, let's do this, man.
So Nafti is visiting from London.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's visited me, I visited him. He visited me, then I visited. No, I'm visiting him.
Nice visiting.
Yeah.
And he's like, he has a special request for me.
Oh my God.
So Bourbon, and you wanted shrimp?
Oh, this is.
Bourbon.
You said it's a good stuff.
Kentucky
You're not
bourbon.
feeding me cheap stuff.
You know what? So I until they start paying me, I'm not gonna show the names.
Oh. Okay.
You know, but no, it's okay. But you will see. It's bourbon.
It's
good
stuff.
bourbon.
It's good stuff.
good
Apparently.
stuff.
Okay, he says so, and I trust Cole.
Ask us in about an hour.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
so yes.
Yeah. So we're gonna.
All right.
I've come a long way for this meal, and
Hi, puppy.
we've come a long way for this meal, and Copper is gonna make me some of his famous.
Shrimp.
Exactly.
Not famous yet until we take.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Yeah.
So, if you know, I like keeping food simple, fresh ingredients, a simple taste. If you want shrimp, I'm not gonna mix the shrimp with crab the way it messes
Yeah.
So if it's gonna be shrimp, we're gonna do the essence of shrimp. One of my favorite go-to shrimp recipes, and something you can pair really well with shrimp is heavy whipping cream, baby spinach, garlic, onions. That's it. Very simple ingredients. Shrimp,
Okay.
heavy cream, garlic, a little bit of onion, baby spinach. Curry powder is just for color. You like hot.
Yes.
But remember, you
Must be hot.
Nafti.
Defcon 1, straight to Defcon 1 with the heat.
Like back in Kenya, like if you order food with Nafti, you have to have two separate meals because his has chili overload. The other one
You walk into a restaurant and ask if they have chili sauce first,
before you order food.
and then you say, "Can I have chips?" Yes.
Actually,
Yeah, the chili sauce. Yeah.
so it's gonna be heavy on chili. I have that. We're gonna use either that or you could use paper flakes. The difference is sometimes when you're using heavy cream, some kind of chilies cuddle the cream.
Oh.
So you don't want to do that. So we're gonna use dry, but that is gonna be served with it. See what I mean?
Yes.
It's gonna be cooked with it, it's gonna be served with it. It's gonna be a garnish. Turmeric, color. It's got a nice yellow color.
Yes.
So
Okay.
let's make this dish. What is it?
Let's do this.
Yes, man. All right, guys. So it's gonna be a quick dish. So the shrimp takes less than 5 minutes to cook. Don't overcook shrimp. Baby spinach, you're just gonna whittle it for another 2 minutes. This meal will be on the table in about 10 minutes.
Wow.
Almost.
Yeah.
It's gonna take longer to make the rice.
Oh.
So let me start with the rice,
Yeah.
and then I'll show you how we do the shrimp. My perfect shrimp recipe. All right, in a saute pan, olive oil. Wash it around. Garlic, onions, goes in the saute pan. Paper flakes, adjust to your liking. Curry powder, I use about a teaspoon. Then turmeric.
Back to your first one.
When I'm using turmeric and curry powder, garam, I like to toast these spices in, just like with the onions, the garlic, and the oil, with a hot pan in there. Just toast them. They become fragrant. Changes them a little bit.
Basically live. They try to mix that with the fat to
The shrimp is not cooking, eh? It's just coating it. It's just coating it. All right, the shrimp goes right in there. But I'm gonna put some water so it kind of steams it out and mixes up the good spices that I've been toasting. So just a little bit of water just to get it going.
They don't. They will shift the blame to everyone else other than them. What's happening in England? There's only those fools who believe it is actually going to work. Yeah? And then you look at the way the economists are better than anything to reasonable. Right? How can you go, oh, you're that financial district of London where I work myself. Okay?
All right, cream goes in there. If you noticed, I turned this very low. You turn it to a simmer where you put your cream in, so it does not curdle. So cream goes right in there. Oh, colors start incorporating. Look at that. It's beautiful.
Today, roughly, I think they'll be even.
Folks, this is a quick meal that just looks beautiful. Coming along nice. Remember, this will cook quick. Shrimp cooks really quick. All right, salt and pepper. I'm using kosher. That looks good and great. At this point, I'm going to cover this up and kind of saute. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes. Cover that up. But it's a done deal.
Yeah.
Okay. See now see the bubble I was looking for. Once you get that bubble,
You throw all of it?
but this is not much. Spinach goes in.
Right down. Right down.
Now remember, spinach is maji, eh? It's half maji.
Is it?
Spinach is half maji.
Don't do it.
Once that goes in, just straight to level half.
Come down.
You will never.
No.
have another shrimp like this. You'll go to Kipiski, you'll be like, call my chef in America, tell him how you make it. I want you to make the way.
That guy mine.
That guy on mine.
That guy
You get that guy on mine. Look at that.
Call my guy. Yeah?
Actually, we should put all the shrimp in chili.
Yeah. You know about expensive shit.
It's exciting, yeah.
I see that.
He's never not been like that of late in life because it's catching up with him. Bro, like I had to take time for work. You don't have a job. I have to make sure you don't overcook. So look at that color. Oh, look at that.
Then you pour it, eh?
Jimmy was not
What's your sauce?
afraid, but by the time he left, they were.
Watch this butter. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Remember, dogs know. Who likes them?
Perfect. What can you chin?
See what you do with this. You do this there.
Yeah.
Now when you leave it there, the chef. Voila.
All right. Spoon for you? Okay. Tomato spoon. Somebody just joined us, huh? Another high school friend of mine. What's up, Chris?
What up, my man?
Nice. You have no cooking, right?
Good news travels
Good
fast.
news travels fast. Alright, we're gonna try this. That's the shrimp. Come on.
Nice.
Get in there, try it, and then everybody gets the spoons. Oh yeah. 10 minutes, you know.
Doesn't take too long.
It didn't take long, right? You sat here. We didn't even get drunk yet. Wow. We've been drinking bourbon.
With who?
You came in late.
I was only given tea and coffee. Wow.
Wow.
Looks nice, eh?
Yes. Wow.
Okay, maybe I'll take some rice.
Take some rice. Tell me what you think. Chris there is gonna go with some rice.
Huh? This is how we roll.
That's how we roll. That's how we
do
cook.
every day in Africa. Every single day.
Say that again. That's how we do what?
That's how we roll every single day.
In Africa, that's how we
In
eat.
Africa.
Bingo. So Naf, what do you think about your shrimp?
Absolutely. It's worth coming.
And Chris will cook better than you.
Some of us have to manage the economy and also eat.
Bingo.
Wow. There we go.
Last parting words. How was that?
Amazing.
Thank you, Chriso.
Evidence.
How we roll.
Thank you, Chriso. You're welcome to my house again.
Hungry? But I'm enjoying it.
Thank you.
Thanks, my brother.
Appreciate you. Nafti, shrimp, you got it? Oh yeah, you're on the pork chops. Yeah, I didn't show you the pork chops, but today was all about that shrimp. All right, folks, a clean kitchen is not a good sign. A dirty kitchen is a good sign. That means we ate good. Cheers. Bourbon.
Good food.
Good food. Good friends. Good times.
Happy life together.
Happy life together. For real. For real. Anything else that's going to happen after this, you're not going to see on YouTube. Sorry.